Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to take another look at the preposition on and what it can mean when it's used with phrasal verbs. So in a previous video, we saw that on can mean connect or be connected to something. And we can extend this metaphorically to get the idea of about or regarding. And the reason for this is when we say about something or regarding something, it's just another way to say connected to something. For example, if I say, I read a book about animals, it just means I read a book connected to animals. So to recap, on can mean connected to, and connected to can mean about or regarding. So let's take a look at some examples of phrasal verbs that use on in this way. How do you think we could describe this using a phrasal verb with on, in which on means about or regarding? Here, a woman says something nice to a man about his hat. So we can say, the woman compliments the man on his hat. Compliments means say something nice, and on means about. So the sentence just means, the woman says something nice to the man about his hat. Okay, let's try another one. How do you think we could describe this using a phrasal verb with on? Here, a committee votes regarding a proposal. So we can say, the committee votes on the proposal. Votes means vote, and on means regarding. So the sentence just means the committee votes regarding the proposal. All right, let's try one more. How do you think we could describe this? Here, a bartender makes a drink, but adds an insufficient amount of rum to it. So we can say, the bartender skimps on the rum. Skimps means use an insufficient amount, and on means regarding. So the sentence can be understood as meaning, the bartender uses an insufficient amount regarding the rum. So I hope this helped you understand the preposition on a little bit better and why it can sometimes mean about or regarding. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.